حاجی السلام علیکم. یو خستا مشر سره خپل ملو شو خپل خلیل یو خو مشر میر خلیل الرحمن صاحب د پشتخره او let me talk to him. He's a very good English speaker. Ha Baba Noor, how you been feeling today?
Semi-fine because I'm aged, running in 86-year age, but still I'm thankful to Almighty Allah. At this stage I can move, I can work, and as per religious Islam I try my best that we must act as per religious Islam, not like parrot to tichuri khuri. The day will come, parrot will repeat the same words, but the parrot doesn't know what I said. So today the Muslim community, they have lost the character. And if you lost the character, each and everything you have lost.
Everything.
I mean to say, if you claim the religious Islam, then if you learn alif, act upon alif. If you don't act, maybe Qul a'udhu bi rabbin nas. If you read the Holy Quran up to the last, and you
Baba, just tell me one thing. Let me cut it short. Where did you serve in Pakistan? Did you serve in army or in any government position?
I was inspector at the time of deceased President Ayub. Then I got the job in Punjab in Ranger as accountant. Then I left that. I served there for 2 years. I came back. I got direct assistant superintendent vacancy in government press. I saw the uniform of Pakistan Air Force. I was interested to join and to serve in defense, to serve the country. Then I joined in 1965 Pakistan Air Force. I got the retirement in 1990. Alhamdulillah, I'm happy.
So what do you do nowadays in your retirement?
I'm doing nothing. I'm doing nothing. Just busy at home. My grandsons, I used to bring them to Philae Degree College.
What about the grandma? Is she alive?
Your wife?
Your wife?
My wife.
Your better half. Shariki Hayat.
She for the last 6 years she has gone to the next world.
Okay, she's no more in this world.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Okay, Baba, let me put it this way. Da shir da udale kuma chawel ra taqwaki wi wikshawe de puhtun chawel ra taqwaki wi wikshawe de puhtun mawel ور تقوکی چې غلام تر پرون. بابا دا شعر مې تا ته ډالۍ کول د خپل ویډیو کټ کو او ملاقات ان شاء الله کوو. الله مې زده وکړه. Very nice talk to you. ډیره مهرباني.
I'll tell you my residence, about my residence. I am putting on Ring Road nearby Trizon CNG. That property I have gone on